I painted this image onto this shirt with the Texilac silkscreen paint. The paint has fully dried. I will iron the right side of the image. This is an experiment on how the ironed and not ironed sides will endure washing. Ironing the silkscreen paint is recommended, but it is not mandatory. Let's see what happens. As usual, I turned the shirt inside out and washed it. It seems that the ironed right side is a bit darker. After the second wash cycle, at first glance everything looks nice, but you can see the difference when you start looking closely. It is the easiest to see the difference in the black color. After the third wash cycle, you can really see the difference between the ironed and not ironed parts. I recommend always ironing the paint to fix it into the fabric properly. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.